जय माँ भारती। समाचार अखिल ब्रह्मांड की, भूत भविष्य वर्तमान की। आई हार्टली वेलकम you to the PMA Samachar channel from the international world. Singapore, officially the Republic of Singapore, is a sovereign island city-state in maritime Southeast Asia. It lies about 1 degree of latitude north of the equator of the southern tip of the Malay Peninsula, bordering the Straits of Malacca to the west, the Riau Islands to the south, and the South China Sea to the east. The country's territory is composed of one main island, 63 satellite islands and islets, and one outlying island. The combined area of which has increased by 25% since the country's independence as a result of extensive land reclamation projects. Bilateral relations between the Republic of India and the Republic of Singapore have traditionally been strong and friendly, within the two nations enjoying extensive cultural and commercial relations. People's Republic of China Singapore relations officially started on 3rd October 1990. Diplomatic missions were established in the 1990s based on trade and the warming of ties from other Asian countries towards mainland China. Country Rafale fighter plane will reach 5Z Ambala Airways will prove to be a game changer for Indian Air Force. Education. RBSI Rajasthan Board 10th result will be released today. Sacraments. The construction of New Ayodhya along with the Ram Temple will done on township 600 acre. Environment. Gandaki River. The Gandaki River, also known as the Narayani and the Gandak, is one of the major rivers of Nepal and a left bank tributary of the Ganges in India. In Nepal, it is notable for its deep canyon through the Himalayas. It has a total catchment area of 46,300 square kilometers. Most of it in Nepal. The basin also contains three of the world's 14 mountains over 8,000 meters, namely Dholagiri, Manslu, Annapurna. Invention. Tape recorder. An audio tape recorder, tape deck or tape machine is a sound recording and reproduction device that records and plays back sounds, usually using magnetic tape for storage. In its present day form, it's record a fluctuating signal by moving the tape across a tape head that polarizes the magnetic domains in the tape in proportion to the audio signal. The tape recording devices include the reel-to-reel tape deck and the cassette deck, with uses a cassette storage. As of the first decade of 21st century, along magnetic tape has been largely replaced by digital recording technologies. Great person. Swami Vivekananda was born. He was an Indian monk, a chief disciple of the 19th century Indian mystic Ramakrishna. He was a key figure in the introduction of the Indian philosophies of Vedanta and Yoga to the Western world, and is credited with raising interfaith awareness, bringing Hinduism to the status of a major world religion. During the late 19th century, he was a major force in the revival of Hinduism in India and contributed to the concept of Indian nationalism as a tool of fight against the British Empire in colonial India. Vivekananda founded the Ramakrishna Math and the Ramakrishna Mission. He is perhaps best for his speech, which began with the words "Sister and Brothers of America," in which he introduced Hinduism at the Parliament of World Relations in Chicago in 1893. State. History of Nagaland. Nagaland, the 16th state of the Indian Union, was established on 1st December 1963. It is bounded by Myanmar on the east, Arunachal Pradesh on the north, Assam on the west, and Manipur to the south. It lies between the parallels of 98 degree and 96 degree eastern longitude and 26.6 degree and 27.4 degree latitude to the north of the equator. The state of Nagaland has an area of 16.579 square kilometer with a population of 19,88,636 as per the census of 2001. The Naga people belong to the Indo-Mongoloid group of people living in the contiguous areas of the northeastern hills of India and the upper portion of western Myanmar. Crops. Lotus root is actually the rhizome of the lotus plant. Is a popular vegetable throughout southern and eastern Asia, but it's still not that well known in the East. Lotus root is full of fibers and various vitamins and other nutrients. Fruits. Manikalakara hexandra is a tree species in the tribe Spotea in the family Sapotaceae. It is native to much of South Asia, China, Henan and southern Gongxi provinces, the Indian subcontinent, Bangladesh, India and Sri Lanka, Indochina, Cambodia, Myanmar, Thailand and Vietnam. Its Varkanal name vary regionally. For example, Palu Palai in Tamil or Ryan in Sinhalese. It is locally known for as the Khirni tree in parts of Bangladesh and India. Manikalakara hexandra is a slow-growing but fairly large even evergreen species. It is grown in tropical and temperate forest. Flowers. Echidna coccinea is a species of flowering plant in the family Rubiaceae. It is a common flowering shrub native to southern India, Bangladesh and Sri Lanka. It has become one of the most popular flowering shrubs in South Florida gardens and landscapes. It is the national flower of Suriname. The flowers, leaves, roots and the stems are used to treat various ailments in the Indian traditional system of medicine, the Ayurveda and in various folk medicines. Yoga Sarvangashan, shoulder stand, or more fully Salam Sarvangashan, is an inverted asana in modern yoga as exercise. Similar poses were used in medieval Hatha yoga. Many named variations exist, including with legs in lotus pose, Jisan and Suptkonashan with legs wide apart, toes on the ground. The health benefits of Suptkonashan or Sarvangashan: blood circulatory system, respiratory system and digestive system will be verified. It rectifies disorders in ears, nose and throat. Diseases at the bottom and the around the heels are cured. Sexual disorders are cured easily. Hair loss and premature graying of hair are put to end or controlled. Universe. Sahara Desert. The Sahara is a desert located on the African continent with an area of 92 lakh square kilometers. It is the largest hot desert in the world and the third largest desert overall after Antarctica and the Arctic. The name Sahara is derived from the Arabic word for desert. The desert comprises much of North Africa, excluding the fertile region on the Mediterranean Sea coast, the Atlas Mountains of the Maghreb, and the Nile Valley in Egypt and Sudan. It stretches from the Red Sea in the east and the Mediterranean Sea in the north to the Atlantic Ocean in the west, where the landscape gradually changes from desert to coastal plains. Maths. Mathematics includes study of such topics as quantity, structure, space, geometry and change. It has no generally accepted definition. Mathematicians seek and use patterns to formulate new conjectures. They resolve the truth of philosophy by such when mathematical structures are good models of real phenomena. Mathematical reasoning can be used to provide insight or predictions about nature, though the use of abstraction and logic mathematics developed from counting, calculation, measurement and systematic study of the shapes and motions of physical objects. Ayurveda. Ficus racemosa is a species of plant in the family Myrtaceae, popularly known as the clustered fig tree, Indian fig tree or gullad. fig. It is native to Australia, Malaysia, Indochina, and the Indian subcontinent. It is unusual in that its figs grow on or close to the tree trunk termed cauliflower. In India, the tree and its fruits are called gullad in north and the ut in the south. The fruits are a favorite staple of the common Indian mesquite. It serves as a food plant for the caterpillar of the two-brand crow butterfly of northern Australia. The 80 kilometers long Galwan River, which flows through the valley in the eastern part of Ladakh, is named after the Ghulam Rasul Galwan, a Ladakhi adventurer and explorer who assisted many European explorers at the turn of the 19th century. On Monday night, a violent expedition took place between the Indian Army and China's People's Liberation Army that cost around 20 Indian Army personnel their lives in the Galwan Valley in eastern Ladakh. The Galwan Valley is the flashpoint of a 5-week border war, which soon turned into a violent confrontation, the first such as incident in the last 45 years. The rivers, which originates from the Aksai Chin region, joins the Shyok rivers inside the territory claimed by India to form upstream tributary of the Indus River. Today's event 1896, the city of Miami, Florida, is incorporated. In 1915, the United States began a 19-year occupation of Haiti. 1939, the Sutton Hoo helmet is discovered. 1960, the German Volkswagen Act came into force. 1974, Staps Grupa, a Russian elite special force, was resumed. Weather alert for 17 districts in Bihar will continue till August 13. Today's temperature in Patna 29 degrees Celsius and in Delhi 31 degrees Celsius. The National Defence Academy is the Joint Services Academy of the Indian Armed Force, where cadets of the three services, the Army, the Navy and the Air Force, train together before they go on to respective service academy for further pre-commission training. The DNDA is located in Khadakwasla, Pune, Maharashtra. It is the first tree service academy in the world. The alumni of NDA include 3 Paramveer Chakra recipients and 12 Ashok Chakra recipients. NDA has also produced 27 services chiefs of staff till date. The current chiefs of staff of the Army, the Navy and the Air Force are all NDA alumni from the same course. The 137 course passed out on 30 November 2019, consisting of 188 Army cadets, 38 Naval cadets, 37 Air Force cadets and 20 cadets from friendly foreign countries. Now pronunciation of some words. Across. It is across, not across. Second word. Affidavit. It is just affidavit, not affidavit. Today's food, that's all I take for tomorrow. Live, stay healthy, be happy. माँ भारती की जय.
ॐ द्यौः शान्तिरन्तरिक्ष ॐ शान्तिः पृथिवी शान्तिरापः शान्तिरोषधयः शान्तिः वनस्पतयः शान्तिर्विश्वे देवा शान्ति ब्रह्म शान्तिः सर्वगुण शान्ति शान्तिरेव शान्तिः सामा शान्तिरेधि ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः